For today's video, we will be featuring our bestest friend of all, our mother, our Julia, who is now driving us papunta sa PUP Santo Tomas. Boom! Hey! Nandito po ang kanyang right hand. Say hello. Hi, I'm the right hand, pero I'm waving with my left hand. Hey! And our birthday girl. And here, birthday cake. Yes, chocolate. And baby girl who's already on the way. Yeah, video. Look at that girl. At sabay-sabay tayo mag-stop na car. Pag nag-move na, i-distract natin yung driver. Uy, hindi ka makikinig sa amin, ha? Will you stop the car? No, I don't. Stop the car! Will you stop the car? Stop the car! Ayaw niya mag-stop. That's it. Ba't parang ano ko agad ko? Because of the sun. Ba't di mo masagot lahat ng tinatanong? Hindi pala siya na ano. Sa oras natin nabigayan, ano pa talaga ang tunay? Pag sinabi mo, wag mo na. Uy, nakabidyo yan.